Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video for this month of June. So for this month of June, I'll be doing my first impressions and review from some of the YouTube creators that actually get collaboration with a makeup brand. Today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions and review on the Nikkie Tutorials collaboration with Ofra. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to find out what my thoughts are, I can recommend this product to you guys. Please keep on watching. I'm just reading at the information on the glamradar.com.au website on the Electro Glaze collection featuring two duochrome out of this world highlighters. Ofra's first ever duochrome highlight, perfect blinded highlight that shifts shades as the light hits them. Cloud9 is a pink to peach duochrome highlight. Goes on smooth and shifts colors as the light hits it. This extraordinary luminosity is the result of Ofra's innovative liquid to bake technology. Cosmetics are 100% vegan and cruelty free. Guys, we're gonna go and test this highlighter out. So this is actually my first impression on this highlighter. I actually haven't used this highlighter before. And this is actually one of Nikkie Tutorials collaboration with Ofra, one of her highlighters. A compact highlighter, guys, and it does come in a mirror. The expiry date of 30 months, guys, at the back. When I actually swatched it earlier, it was actually a very creamy formula. When you square like this, guys, it's gonna be like fallout. So making sure that you tap any excess. It's actually picking the product. So as you can see, guys, oh gosh, that's definitely like a see guys, I can actually see it's got all this pink. It's like a pink highlighter for me when I'm seeing it in person, guys. I mean, I haven't it's also good to try this outside to see what it looks like from the natural light, but with the studio light I can actually see kind of like a actually got a kind of like just probably matching with my eyeshadow look, guys. It's giving me that that pink. It's probably like a combination of pink and peach undertone. So it is a beautiful shade, guys. I'm just putting this on my bridge of my nose. My cupid's bow. So if you guys can see it. Okay, it does have a little bit of fallout. It blends really nice on your skin. It can be purchased from Glam Radar. It's retail for $39. US, you can actually purchase this from Ofra.com and it's $35. Check out the Ofra.com website and you'll be able to check in there. There are international distributors, so you'll be able to see whereabouts you can actually purchase this highlighter. In my inner corner, it's really pigmented as well. Really helped to open up my eyes. And whatever the excess, I'm just going to be applying a little bit on my brow bone. I've actually used the Ofra Cosmetics products before too, guys, so I know that Ofra Cosmetics are a really good high quality brand, guys. So if you guys like Ofra Cosmetics and you also love Nikkie Tutorials, you guys should check this highlighter out. So please comment down below, guys, if you used this highlighter before. And I know she's got quite a few highlighter selections. Please let me know which one's your favorite, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.